Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So currently in Google Chrome Canary, which is a early preview version of the browser, Chrome is testing a new Gemini-powered password change for compromised passwords in Canary, which is powered by Glick. That's Gemini Live in Chrome, which is an AR feature, as you may well know. So currently, in the latest Canary build, if we head into our password manager, and we head to checkup, and it checks for passwords. Here we can see one compromised password. You should change it now. If I click on that, you will see change it for me with a little AR symbol. Where in the stable version, this tab next to a so-called compromised password says change password. But as we can see in the Gemini powered change password, it says change it for me. And by the way, this has been forced to say it's compromised. It's not actually compromised. We'll look at that side of things now. Because it says found in data breach 425 years ago. So obviously, I'll explain how and why this was forced in a second. And if I click on change it for me, currently it just says attempting to sign in. So it's still very early days. And at this stage, I have tested this before posting and nothing happens. It just says attempting sign in. So I'll keep my ear to the ground with this. And obviously, if this does become a working feature, I'll keep you guys posted in the future. Now, to test this new change it for me with AR, you have to enable two flags in Chrome Canary, experimental flags. So if we head into our experimental flags page in Canary, the first flag, all you have to do is type in password change. Here's the first password. Password change with Glick. Triggers password change flow through Glick. Okay, that's the first one. You change that from default to enabled. And here's the second one, but just to show you how you can find that, we type for the second one, mark all. Mark all credential as leaked. Here's the part where I said the password is actually forced to be compromised. It says for the description, will pop up the leaked check dialog on every password form submission. So this is just basically forcing it to say it's compromised so we can test the feature, change that from default to enabled, and you'll get that new Gemini powered password change tab. So this is interesting. So in the future, Gemini might actually change your reused weak or compromised passwords for you instead of just suggesting strong ones. And how would you feel about that? Would you ever let AR change a compromised password for you? I'd be interested to know. And obviously, I'll keep my ear close to the ground with this. And if I get any more information, I'll try and keep you guys updated. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.